2012 VW Passat. Boom. We did an earlier video where it had muffler delete. He brought it back not even a week later. He's like, it's not loud enough. Bring it back. I want it louder. So we're like, we got you. So he came back. So it's still got the converters there. There was secondary resonators there. We took them off, 2 of them. And mid muffler, we took it off. And 2 rear mufflers we took off. To show you how much they add to this car back in the day to make it quiet. And what do? Take it all off because it's too quiet. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. There's the mid muffler that was on it, or mid resonator, and the 2 baby resonators. So you guys can't say they're cats. They are resonators. See? Straight through. All right, there it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And it is the VR6. See it? Passat V6. I don't know. Much better. Now it sounds loud. Hear sound decibels? Right at 112. You see how loud it is? Much better. Do you want to save any of that just in case?
Save the rest.
The small ones or the big ones? Okay. Yeah, leave it alone.
Like when I have the money to get arrested or something faster.
What was that, a McLaren? I like it. Sounds good. Yeah, that sounds mean. It's real good. Look at his smile. He's happy. Let you guys hear on the inside.